Hey travel enthusiasts, let me introduce you to Ravenna, Italy's hidden gem. Nestled on the Adriatic coast, Ravenna is a treasure trove of history, art, and culture. This charming city, often overlooked by tourists, boasts a unique charm that will captivate your senses. Imagine strolling down cobblestone streets, the air filled with the aroma of freshly baked bread and the sound of church bells chiming. The streets are lined with quaint shops and cafes, each with its own story to tell. Get ready to be enchanted. Ravenna is a city that promises to leave you spellbound with its beauty and history. Ravenna's history is as rich and vibrant as the mosaics that adorn its ancient walls. These mosaics, with their intricate designs and vivid colors, tell stories of a bygone era. Once the capital of the Western Roman Empire and later a Byzantine stronghold, Ravenna has witnessed the ebb and flow of empires. Each era has left its mark, creating a layered tapestry of history. This rich tapestry of history has left an indelible mark on the city's architecture, art, and culture. From the grand basilicas to the humble homes, every corner of Ravenna tells a story. But Ravenna is not just a history lesson, it's a living, breathing city with a vibrant culture and friendly locals. The people of Ravenna are warm and welcoming, always ready to share their city's secrets with visitors. Whether you're an art aficionado, a history buff, or simply looking for an authentic Italian experience, Ravenna has something to offer everyone. The city's museums and galleries are filled with masterpieces, and the local markets are a feast for the senses. So, let's dive into the heart of this captivating city and uncover its hidden treasures. From its ancient mosaics to its bustling markets, Ravenna is a city that promises to enchant and inspire. Ravenna is renowned worldwide for its stunning mosaics, which are considered some of the finest examples of Byzantine art in the world. These intricate masterpieces, crafted from millions of shimmering glass and stone pieces, adorn the walls and ceilings of Ravenna's ancient churches and monuments. Imagine stepping inside a basilica, bathed in an ethereal glow emanating from these shimmering mosaics. The sheer scale and artistry of these works of art will leave you breathless. From the celestial scenes of San Vitale to the celestial blue backdrop of Galla Placidia's mausoleum, Ravenna's mosaics are a testament to the artistic genius of a bygone era. These mosaics aren't just beautiful decorations, they tell stories, depict biblical scenes, and offer a glimpse into the beliefs and values of the people who created them. Each tessera, each piece of colored glass, contributes to a larger narrative that has captivated viewers for centuries. Ravenna is a city where history comes alive. As you wander through its charming streets, you'll encounter ancient monuments, UNESCO World Heritage Sites, and architectural wonders that whisper tales of emperors, kings, and poets. One of the best ways to experience Ravenna's history is to simply get lost in its labyrinthine streets. Stumble upon hidden courtyards, discover ancient churches tucked away in quiet corners, and soak up the atmosphere of a city that has stood the test of time. Don't forget to visit the Theodoric Mausoleum, the final resting place of the Ostrogothic king, Theodoric the Great. This imposing circular structure, built entirely of Istrian limestone, is a testament to the architectural prowess of the Ostrogoths. No trip to Ravenna is complete without a visit to the Basilica of San Vitale, a true masterpiece of Byzantine art and architecture. The basilica stands as a testament to the grandeur and sophistication of the era. This octagonal basilica, consecrated in 547 AD, is renowned for its breathtaking mosaics, considered to be some of the finest in the world. These mosaics are not just art, they are a window into the past, telling stories of faith, power, and devotion. As you step inside San Vitale, prepare to be awestruck by the sheer beauty and grandeur of its interior. The space is designed to inspire and elevate the spirit. Sunlight streams through the alabaster windows, illuminating the golden mosaics and casting an otherworldly glow on the surrounding space. The interplay of light and color creates a symphony that is both ethereal and mesmerizing. The mosaics depict biblical scenes, portraits of Emperor Justinian and Empress Theodora, and intricate geometric patterns. Each mosaic is a narrative, a piece of history captured in vibrant colors and meticulous detail. Take your time to admire the details of these masterpieces, the expressive faces of the figures, the intricate details of their clothing, and the vibrant colors that seem to shimmer and dance in the light. The artistry is so vivid, it almost feels alive. San Vitale is not just a church. It's a testament to the artistic and spiritual aspirations of the Byzantine Empire. It stands as a monument to human creativity and the enduring power of faith. Just a stone's throw from San Vitale, one of Ravenna's most iconic landmarks, lies the Mausoleum of Galla Placidia, a small yet exquisitely decorated structure that stands as a testament to the artistry of the early Christian era. This mausoleum houses the tomb of Galla Placidia, the sister of the Roman Emperor Honorius, who played a significant role in the politics of her time. Don't let its diminutive size fool you. This mausoleum is a true gem of early Christian art, showcasing intricate designs and masterful craftsmanship. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a celestial spectacle that takes your breath away. The interior is adorned with shimmering mosaics set against a backdrop of deep celestial blue, creating an otherworldly ambiance. The most famous mosaic depicts the Good Shepherd amidst his flock, a serene and comforting image that symbolizes peace and salvation. This symbol of peace and salvation is a recurring theme in early Christian art, reflecting the spiritual aspirations of the time. The mosaics in Galla Placidia's mausoleum are unique for their use of light and color, which create a vibrant and dynamic visual experience. The artists employed a technique called opus musivum, a method that involves setting the glass tesserae at slightly different angles. By setting the glass tesserae at these angles, they were able to create a shimmering effect that catches the light in a mesmerizing way. This shimmering effect adds a layer of depth and movement to the mosaics, making them appear almost alive. The result is a mesmerizing play of light and shadow that captivates the viewer and adds to the ethereal atmosphere of the mausoleum. This ethereal atmosphere makes the Mausoleum of Galla Placidia not just a resting place, but a timeless masterpiece of art and spirituality. Dante's Ravenna, a poet's refuge. Ravenna was not only a center of political and religious power, but also a haven for artists and intellectuals. The most famous of these was Dante Alighieri, the renowned author of the Divine Comedy. Dante spent the last years of his life in Ravenna, finding refuge and inspiration in this charming city. Today, you can visit Dante's tomb, a neoclassical monument that marks the poet's final resting place. Pay your respects to the literary giant and reflect on the enduring power of his words. Afterwards, stroll through the peaceful Dante Park, a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city where you can relax and soak up the atmosphere. Ravenna's connection to Dante adds another layer of cultural significance to this already fascinating city. It's a reminder that Ravenna has long been a place where art, history, and literature intertwine. Beyond the mosaics, culture, and cuisine in Ravenna. While Ravenna's mosaics and historical sites are undoubtedly its main draws, this charming city offers much more to discover. Take some time to explore its vibrant cultural scene, indulge in its delicious local cuisine, and experience the warmth of its friendly locales. Start your culinary journey with a taste of piadina, a thin flatbread sandwich filled with various savory ingredients, a local speciality. For a sweet treat, try the zuppa inglese, a decadent dessert made with layers of sponge cake soaked in liqueur and custard. In the evening, immerse yourself in Ravenna's lively atmosphere. Enjoy a leisurely dinner at a traditional trattoria, sipping local wine and savoring the flavors of Romagna cuisine. Later, catch a live music performance or enjoy a drink in one of the city's many bars and pubs. Practical tips for your Ravenna adventure. Getting to Ravenna is easy, with regular train connections from major Italian cities like Bologna, Florence, and Venice. The city center is compact and easily walkable, making it a pleasure to explore on foot. When planning your trip, consider visiting during the spring or autumn for pleasant weather and fewer crowds. Be sure to book your accommodation in advance, especially if traveling during peak season. Don't forget to pack comfortable shoes as you'll be doing a lot of walking. A good guidebook or map will also come in handy for navigating the city's maze of streets and discovering hidden gems. Ravenna, a journey to enchant your soul. Ravenna is a city that stays with you long after you've left its charming streets. Its stunning mosaics, rich history, vibrant culture, and friendly locals create an unforgettable travel experience. So, pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to embark on a journey to enchant your soul in the heart of Italy's Emilia-Romagna region.